host, El Monet. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did this wig. And yep, let's hop right into it. Okay, so the company that I got my lace from is called Jordan. Okay, I'll call them the Get You Together company, okay? So, they give you this wig cap. They give you a little pair of eyelashes. And usually they give you like a little headband for your edges, you know, so you can lay them. Like, who does all of that? And plus this wig isn't even $50. So, let me just unwrap it. So I got it off of Amazon. I had like I got $4 off. Cause you know how, like if you're a Prime member, they say like apply this coupon. So I did that. So in total, I paid like $45 or $44.59. So technically $45. Okay, so let me just take this lace, not the lace, the little fishnet thing off. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. But so this is a 3-part wig, okay? And let me just take the tag off if I can find out where it is. Okay, found it, just like that. Okay, and so this is when I start to show y'all how I do the lace front, how I put the glue on, how I get it on my big ass head, and yeah. Okay, so y'all see. Okay, I probably gotta comb it out, but that's okay, cause I did kind of jack it up. But y'all see, I'm already bad. I ain't even beat my face yet. You see? Just hold up now. Y'all see, I got my outfit for my honey bun show today. Okay, 28 inches. Okay, so see, it's not even tangled. It is just so soft, and I'm already fine now. Like, this is my favorite wig company, y'all. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, I don't ever got no deal with them or nothing. It's just, I'm so happy I found them. Like, my first wig from them was like a wavy one. I'll put the picture in, like, probably like right here, okay? And so, yeah. Oh, y'all see how the light is hitting my skin? Okay, and so just gonna comb that out. But yes, it's free parting, so you know you could just put it over here. Okay, y'all know I like them kind of parts. But you see, today I might just try straight down the middle, because I am kind of feeling myself. Okay, so right here I'm showing y'all how I cut the lace and how I almost cut some edges off. Okay, so don't do what I do. And so I have some like little scissors that I usually use for my lace fronts, but I couldn't find them, so you know I had to use the school scissors, you know. Don't y'all see how, like, I'm not even like conceited or nothing. Y'all see how like pretty I look with this wig, and my skin is kind of, this is glowing, y'all. Glowing. Actually not, see, because I feel like I look better with side parts. Like, I'm cute like this, but you know, I feel like the side part is the move today. Ooh. Hold on, did y'all see that? Hold on, I know y'all saw what I saw. But you know, a couple hairs right here. Oh. Oh. And my man about to come home from work, like, oh, you was waiting for me, Dad? Let me stop.